Hello everyone, my name is Katia. Today I'm going to prepare Locro de Papa. Locro de Papa is from Pichincha. Ingredients: potatoes, 1 white onion, 2 garlic cloves, tablespoon of annatto, tablespoon of oil, 1 cup of milk, 1 cheese, salt, water, avocado, cilantro, utensils, large box, knife, measuring cup, blender, thick plate, chopping board. Procedure or the recipe. First peel and cut the potatoes into small cubes. Then chop the onion and garlic. Next, heat oil in a pot and fry the onion and garlic until salt. After that, add the potatoes mix well and pour in a bowl full of water. Bring at the boil. When boil, reduce the heat into 14-20 minutes. Then blend that on the potatoes. And return to the pot to decant the soup. To like a milk or for creamier texture. Afterwards, season with salt in paper tape. Finally, and heat and digest until melt. Short hot, garnish with cilantro or avocado. Enjoy your meal. Did you know that many families prepare it 1 or 2 times a month? Avocado as garnish is almost mandatory in Locro. Goodbye.